Hello, my name is Jonathan Lowe. I've spent the past 10 years of my career getting medicines to patients faster. I've seen how efficient biopharmaceutical teams become when all the information they need for making decisions is in one place in real time. Amalgo can help you get there by uniting and connecting your data across manufacturing, quality, and distribution. You already have the right data. We'll connect it across departments and across sites. We'll join up every batch, every process step, and every person involved. How long steps took, how much they cost, and where there were deviations or QC testing. When something goes wrong in your operation, you can trace the full chain of cause and consequence in seconds rather than days. Let's take a look. Imagine a fictional biopharmaceutical company so well organized that they've acquired and rebranded every blockbuster drug on Earth. In this mythical firm, top-tier global supply executives might start their days with a summary, something like what you see here: API movement, financials, and people. Major trends in the wrong direction get flagged with a red dot, as Vixen Fix is here. Clicking the dot gives us an executive summary with potential financial impact. Today's late delivery penalty exposure is trivial, just $2,108 already accrued and a $6,700 cap. But the 2-week stockout exposure is over $93,000. Worth a look. About half the penalty comes from one Sidefex XR material, which looks completely stocked out. The executive won't resolve this directly, but might want to know the context before delegating the problem to someone else, so he clicks the material. In this batch shipment timeline, we see rows for 4 batches, none yet dispositioned. There are the shipments blocked by the stockout. QC testing hasn't started yet, probably because an investigation just closed. He might wonder how much worse this issue will become if we're still out of stock 2 months from now. Projecting out, he sees the delivery value rise to nearly $1 million. The side panel also reveals the deviation was seal misalignment on the blister line. This view compares that batch's deviation to the history of all deviations in our network and presents the most similar ones as sources of insights. The executive is right. Other very similar deviations have been happening recently on this blister line. The kappa might need additional review. Or AI suggestions might speed discovery of the deviation's root cause. Now he's ready to delegate. His team works at a lower tier with more detail. Their first drill down into Vixen Fix is still high level, but adds more details. For example, we see the same revenue and profit, but with a cost of goods sold waterfall between them. Vixen Fix's site-agnostic production metrics include targets like on time in full, OEE, throughput, lead time, waste, deviations, with notes for any below industry standards. All of these metrics are calculated automatically from the same connected data. They're not dependent upon manual human consolidation in spreadsheets, and they recalculate instantly for any date range and offer drill downs for more context. Amalgo would be happy to further demonstrate how connected data and apps can get your medicines to patients faster. Thanks for watching. Let's talk.